If you want to create digital menu for your hotel or restaurant, first you have to visit qru.com. Then click on Create Now. This will take you to the two-step procedure, where in first step we will create Google Sheet and in second step we will share Google Sheet. If you agree to the terms of condition of qru.com, tick this agreement button and click here to copy Google Sheet. Log into your Google account. Click on Make a Copy. This will make a copy of qru.com's Google Sheet on your Google Drive. That's it. We have created database for our restaurant or hotel's digital menu. This is our digital menu link. You can see here the QR code where customers can with their phone and visit your hotels or restaurants digital menu. Here you can change your hotel's name. Here you can change your mobile number where customer order their food on phone or WhatsApp. Here you can change currency. Here you can change your logo, and here you can add or change menu items. Let's go and check how your digital menu looks. We cannot view our menu because we haven't shared our Google Sheet to the public. Let's do it. Click on Share. Click on Change to anyone with the link and hit Done. Let's check again. Now we can see our menu, hotel's name. Here customer enter their details and order food on either WhatsApp or call. That's it for now. Till then, see ya.